Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I will show you how to use image to ChatGPT. First, you want to open your browser, then search for Arena AI and go to the first option. Then you want to go and click on Battle Mode, then go and click on Direct, then go and click on Max, this option right here, then go and click on Image. Then you should scroll down till the bottom till you find your GPT Image 2. And of course, you should log in into your account. After logging in, I will type anything that I actually need. I will type a simple prompt right here. But of course, you should choose image 2. I will simply click on this option right here. You can even add a file if you would like. You can add a photo of someone. You can add a photo of something. Let's say that I have added this photo of cat, for example. And I mentioned make a photo of a football player scoring a goal. And I'm just testing the AI. How will it proceed with this photo with the prompt that I have typed? It should actually disregard it. It should, it shouldn't actually give any concern to this photo because it is not related to the prompt that I have typed. But let's see how it will generate the image, how it will proceed, and so on. And here, as you can see, this is the image and this is the result. And you can download it, you can even retry, you can give it a like, you can do some edits for it. Let's say remove Ronaldo and add Suarez, for example. The bad thing about this LLM or this method is that it takes much time. So it may take up to 1 to 2 minutes, but it is effective. You can use it for free. And this is actually the most important advantage or the pro of the using the Arena AI. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.